Assalamualaikum everyone, how are you all today? I hope you all are doing fine. So this is a tutorial video of how I do doodling with henna cone. So this is my practice time actually. This is the way how I do my practice of henna. So you should also try doing some practice at home. I have chosen a wedding card on which I'm making this design. The reason why I have chosen the wedding card is because the texture of the card is really very nice and the design comes out really well, and I find it personally very helpful because the henna stays on the place of it and it doesn't expand too much on the paper. When we do on the paper, it usually expands and the design looks a disaster. So the texture of the wedding card is a little bit thicker and it looks nice on wedding card. So you should also try this at home and do comment me down below how you find it. Is it helpful or not? So I've made flowers and covering it with 3 layers of thin filling, humps and little flowers, and then again humps, and at the side I have made a swirl and to expand and to have more area to work on. In this way I'm gonna continue my design. It's actually my creation. I don't really think about how to proceed the design, but yes, I do think about the elements, which elements I want to add in it. And both bold and thin elements and design and flowers, both thin and bold work should be there, and this way your design will look more intricate and beautiful, elegant. Here I have made bold flower, again thin filling, swirl flower. You can add a lot of elements in your henna. It's up to you how you made the design and how you continue the design. This is just my practice video. I just thought maybe you find it helpful. That's why I'm uploading it. Otherwise I don't really plan to upload it, but just for the guidelines, so that you may know how to continue the design, how to fill up these spaces, because you have to fill up these spaces when applying henna. You can do a lot of things, make checks, lines, but I personally like flowers, petals and leaves and swirls, bold flowers, little flowers, big flowers, circles. So I like these elements. Your choice, your method, your favorite elements, and you can go with the design. This is the best way to have some space from the side to make a carry, and then an outline, and again a small filling, humps. So what do you want me to draw in my next video? Do comment me down below. From which country you're watching? Do comment me down below. Subscribe my channel if you find my videos little bit helpful. It's an appreciation and it's totally free. You don't have to invest money in it. I personally love intricate henna, and I do try my best to create it. Okay, now I'll see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.